ABCetc, Learning Made Easy. Welcome to Entry Level 1. Module 3. Order and compare numbers 0 to 9. Learning to order and compare numbers is the first step to learning other aspects of maths. By the end of this session, you will be able to order numbers from least to greatest, order numbers from greatest to the least, sort out a group of numbers into numerical orders. Ordering numbers. Counting the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 9 is ordering the numbers from the least to the largest. There are two ways to order numbers, depending on the purpose for which they are being ordered. Numbers can be arranged from smallest to greatest in ascending order. Numbers can be arranged from greatest to smallest in descending order. The lowest numbers appear first, followed by the greatest ones in ascending order. The highest numbers appear first, followed by the lowest ones in descending order. Numerical order. Numerical order is the order in which numbers are placed. This is usually used in filing as it makes data retrieval easier. Time for quiz. The link to download the quiz is in the description box below. End of Module 3, Part 1. You are now able to order numbers from least to greatest, order numbers from greatest to the least, sort out a group of numbers into numerical orders. This is the end of this session. Next session is compare numbers 0 to 9. ABCetc, Learning Made Easy.